Discover a collection of 12 amazing Amazon products that will improve your daily life and outdoor excursions. These cutting-edge devices, which range from smart mirrors and modular hand warmers to titanium pill cases and high-performance crampons, provide convenience, dependability, and functionality. Investigate your options and update your equipment right away. Before we start, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Number 12. Titanium Min Pill Case Keychain. Introducing a keychain that can also serve as a pill box. It is made of hypoallergenic titanium, which ensures the best possible protection and temperature control for your drugs. It also offers great durability, corrosion resistance, and non-conductive properties. It is about 11 grams in weight and has a lanyard and ring for simple connection to your luggage or backpack. You may be sure that even under dire circumstances, your drugs will be protected thanks to its dual protection. This useful item is $12 in price. Number 11. Kahtoola Microspikes Footwear. Anyone, including hikers, runners, and fishermen, needs these crampons to ensure stability and grip on icy or snowy terrain. Due to the 12 1-centimeter spikes on each pad, they are excellent for navigating slippery rocks, hard-packed snow, and ice surfaces. There are types that can meet your demands, whether you need them for urban settings or dirt paths, or a quieter choice is preferable. Number 10. Sony N7 Bluetooth Neckband Speaker. Being a leader in the music industry, Sony has amassed a wealth of knowledge and expertise that it has used to create great musical devices. With the sale of 385 million Walkman cassette players alone, they have an impressive track record. Sony continues to be at the forefront today thanks to its comprehensive knowledge of ideal sound reproduction. They have created an exceptional speaker by fusing creativity and technology and getting rid of wires. Number 9. 32GB Cryptex USB Flash Drive. Dan Brown, the author of the wildly successful book The Da Vinci Code, cleverly merged the phrases cryptology and code to form the neologism Cryptex. A secure data storage system is referred to by this phrase. Although a Cryptex is described in great detail in the book, many producers have subsequently created their own variants. One such Cryptex, which hides a flash drive inside its cylinder, is visible on the screen. The flash drive is still locked inside if the right code is not known. This particular Cryptex has several flash drive capacities ranging from 16 to 256 GB and is made from a combination of zinc, brass, and leather. It also comes with a velvet pouch for storage. It costs $50 to get the 64GB version. Number 8. Kodak Step Mini Wireless Color Printer. Selling $1 cameras was an early marketing strategy used by Kodak, which was founded by a bank clerk. Customers would send their cameras back to Kodak when they ran out of film, and Kodak would replenish the film, print the images from the first roll, and send everything back. With the help of their tiny printer, they maintain this habit of surprising people even now. Users can print 5 by 8 centimeter images directly from their smartphones using this small equipment. Even novice users of the Kodak Step app may modify their images with ease. The small printer is made to withstand wetness, stains, and tears, and it can print 25 images on a single charge. It is portable enough to fit in the back pockets of your jeans thanks to its compact size. It costs around $70 to get this amazing tiny printer. Number 7. Grabo Pro Lifter. A groundbreaking device that will change how you handle materials. An electric suction cup with a vacuum pump and an innovative internal mechanism is displayed on the screen, appealing to potential customers greatly. All the necessary information is shown on the digital display. This amazing tool allows you to deal with a variety of materials, including metal, glass, ceramics, wood, plastic, and more, and sports an incredible load capacity of 170 kilograms. A battery that is fully charged offers an amazing 900 cycles, or 90 minutes of non-stop operation. This instrument provides outstanding value at $300. Its dependability and efficacy have been shown by professionals from all around the world and are beyond dispute. Number 6. Hatch Restore Personal Sleep Routine. Get unparalleled relaxation, sleep longer and more soundly, and easily awaken feeling renewed. The makers of this extraordinary alarm clock advise using it, noting that after 2 weeks, 59% of participants reported lower levels of stress and 24% claimed to feel substantially more energized. What then is the secret of this remarkable device? The alarm clock simulates a sunrise, waking you up not just with sound but also with soft light. It's simple yet effective. Users have praised the intelligent design for making waking up feel natural and gradual. The alarm clock has many options that let you change the light's brightness and shade as well as select from a collection of unique nature noises. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities, is compatible with both Android and iOS phones, and also functions as a nightlight. This alarm clock, which costs $130, is a smart purchase for your sleep and general health. Number 5. Tiny Monster TM28 LED Flashlight by Nitecore. Unexpected power outages can happen. In 2003, a big blackout left 10 million Canadians and 40 million Americans without electricity. We strongly advise carrying a dependable flashlight with you at all times, especially one that works well both indoors and outdoors, so you're never left in the dark. This specific model has 8 working modes and a beam range of an amazing 454 meters. Overheating is prevented by heat-dissipating fins, and excessive brightness is avoided by the ATR system's automated brightness adjustment. Additionally waterproof, this lantern can resist immersion in water for up to 2 meters. The lens is reinforced against mechanical damage and made of toughened mineral glass for durability. Notably, the integrated OLED display neatly offers details on the temperature, approximate run time, and other pertinent information. This flashlight, which costs $398, is a dependable and necessary item to have in an emergency. Number 4. Nicron N7 Flashlight. A different flashlight, this one priced at only $18. Despite its low cost, the supplier guarantees that it is appropriate for outdoor activities like hiking and camping. This flashlight is water and drop resistant, and it can sustain drops from 1.2 meters. Amazingly, some reviewers even put it in the freezer to test how durable it was, and it still worked well. This flashlight, which has a Samsung LED, enables you to see objects up to 126 meters away. The flashlight's upper portion readily rotates 90 degrees to provide a variety of illumination angles, and the magnetic insert assures a firm connection to metallic objects. This flashlight shows to be a dependable companion whether in the garage or workshop. Number 3. Capstone Smart Mirror Wardrobe. Characters frequently seek advice from a magic mirror in certain fairy tales. Did you know that anyone can now own a magic mirror, though? This mirror has a number of qualities, even though smart technology may have taken the place of the magic. It enables you to perform stretches, check your email, watch movies, listen to music, and even keep track of significant anniversaries like other people's birthdays. This mirror is made to link wirelessly with Bluetooth, making it suitable for smartphones. Its 152 centimeter height gives you a great vantage point to evaluate your new appearance. To improve your styling experience, you also get a fashion guide and beauty tutorials in addition to the mirror. This replica, which costs about $800, gives the idea of a magic mirror a contemporary spin. Number 2. Union 5s and Ocoopa 2-pack hand warmers. Imagine a device that can tolerate 4 different temperature ranges, has a power bank feature, and can run for 15 hours on a single charge. Can you identify this object? Here's a tip: it belongs in the section on trekking and camping. You are 100% correct if you guessed a modular hand warmer. This hand warmer is fascinating in addition to being useful. It conveniently slides into the pockets of your jacket or raincoat and only weighs 240 grams, so it won't restrict your movements. It has 4 heat settings, the lowest of which is 63 degrees Celsius. Additionally, it has a rapid reload system that enables you to quickly change the battery. What's best? This amazing device has a starting price of just $30. Number 1. A lighter-equipped cigarette case. The startling 1.1 billion smokers in the world in 2019 suggests a potential market for cigarette lighter vendors. The maker of this specific lighter touts its innovative design and compact size. This attachment is portable and lightweight at only 150 grams. Up to 10 cigarettes can fit within, and the flame height can be changed to accommodate personal preferences. It's interesting to note that this lighter's overall design can catch the attention of DIY enthusiasts because it allows for the addition of other features with the correct knowledge and ingenuity. This is it for today's video. Subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.